when the power goes out and the cold begins to creep in. A fire won't save you because the smoke gives you away. Light attracts trouble, and the wood eventually runs out. But your body is a stubborn furnace burning on scraps and sheer spite. Here's how to keep it running. Let me show you how to survive the cold, using nothing but physics, trash, and a refusal to freeze. Here's the part no one tells you. You're already a 100-watt biological heater. Your metabolism is burning fuel right now, turning food into movement, thought, and more importantly, warmth. The problem is simple. The cold is a thief. It steals your heat in 3 brutal ways. Conduction, when the frozen ground drains warmth from you like a parasite. Convection, when the wind strips heat off your skin faster than you can make it. Radiation, when your body leaks infrared energy into the empty air. Your goal isn't to make more fire. Your goal is to stop the heat from escaping. Method 1. Turn your clothing into a walking sleeping bag. Layers aren't fashion, they're physics written in the notebooks of people who didn't survive long enough to complain. Start with a base layer that moves moisture off your skin. Wet skin is a quiet death sentence. Water conducts heat 25 times faster than air. Wear wool or synthetics, cotton will betray you. Add an insulation layer. Fleece, puffy jackets, crumpled newspaper, dry leaves, anything that traps still air. Air is an incredible insulator, but only when it doesn't move. Finish with a windproof shell. Trash bags work. Tarps work. That old poncho from a gas station dumpster works. Now, the trick most people never do. Stuff extra insulation between your layers. Shredded grass, torn paper, foam from a broken seat. Cram all of it inside. You're not trying to look good. You're trying to stay alive without looking stylish about it. And cover your head. No, you don't lose 90% of heat through it, but it's full of blood vessels. Lose heat there, and your brain starts making terrible decisions, like removing your jacket because you feel hot. That's hypothermia whispering. Do not listen. Method 2. The debris hut, the forest's cheap sleeping bag made of trash and leaves. Find a long branch for the ridgepole. Prop one end on a rock or tree at waist height. Lean smaller branches along the sides like ribs on a skeleton. Now bury the whole thing in debris. Leaves, needles, dry grass, moss, anything organic and dry. Pile it at least 2 feet thick. This is insulation, not decoration. Crawl inside. It's cramped. It smells like a forest floor, and that's perfect. A small space lets your body heat actually warm the air around you. Line the bottom with more debris. Lying directly on the ground lets conduction steal your warmth like a frozen leech. Method 3. The Mylar burrito, the shiny survival trick. Those cheap emergency blankets that look like candy wrappers, they actually work. Your body radiates heat constantly. Wrap yourself in Mylar, and that heat bounces back at you. It's like sitting inside a human-shaped thermos. But don't wear it like a cape. The wind will shred it. Layer it under your jacket or between blankets. Use it under you as a ground barrier. Tape it inside your shelter to turn everything into a low-budget sauna. No Mylar? Foil works. Reflective bubble wrap works. A car sunshade flipped shiny side and works. Science is simply expensive trash used correctly. The cold steals, but you own the furnace. Your job is to outlast it. Method 4. The water bottle radiator, a homemade heater. If you've got any heat source at all, even weak sunlight or a recently running engine, you can do this. Fill a sturdy bottle with hot water, not boiling. Wrap it in a sock or shirt. Put it against your core inside your sleeping bag. You just built a portable radiator. It holds heat for hours. And when it cools, you can drink it. Simple efficiency. No hot water? Use your body. Place a bottle under your arm or against your stomach. Let your core warm it slowly. Then move it to your feet. You're now a human heat pump running a closed-loop system powered by you. Method 5. The cardboard cocoon. Don't laugh. Cardboard is survival gold. It's full of trapped air pockets. Lay it under you to block conduction. Tape it over windows to stop drafts. Slide sheets inside your jacket like makeshift armor. If you're stuck inside a car, line the entire interior with cardboard. You're building a cardboard cave, ugly but warm. In any city, cardboard is the duct tape of staying alive. Use it. Method 6. The huddle, the most primal heat source. If you're with others, get close. The cold doesn't care about embarrassment. Share blankets. Share sleeping bags. 2 people in one bag are warmer than 2 separate. Animals know this. Penguins do it, wolves do it, and you're not above it. Alone? Curl into the fetal position. Less surface area means less heat escaping. Have a dog? You're sleeping next to a 101-degree heater with built-in insulation. Use it. Here's why all of this works better than relying on fire. Fire is fragile. It needs fuel, dry weather, oxygen, and luck. Your body isn't fragile. It runs on stored fat, carbs, and raw determination. Survival isn't about making more heat. You already make plenty. The secret is preventing that heat from leaking away. If you stay layered, insulated, sheltered, and mentally sharp, you outlast the night. No matches, no fire, no problem. You survive on physics, junk, and a refusal to die cold. If you wake up tomorrow, that's not luck, that's victory.